Good afternoon, everybody. This is Brother Borderstrass. I'm here with a student, Elliot Teo, and we are going to model for you how to use Zoom. So one person in each group will be kind of like the team leader that needs to send out the link to their Zoom room. And so we're going to show you how to do that, how to record your session, and a few other things. So the first thing that you need to do is you need to go to byui.zoom.us and click My Zoom Account, which is where you will log in. My friend Elliot here has already logged in. And this URL right here is the URL that you are going to send out to the other students that are in your class, that are in your group. Once you have that link and once they access it, so we'll go to Elliot's Zoom room here. It's going to ask you to open the Zoom meeting. It's going to take a little bit of connecting, so we'll just wait for a minute to see if this works or if my computer's going to crash. It is taking quite a long time this time around. Okay, so I'm going to join audio by computer. And you'll notice on this screen that there's this bar here at the bottom. One thing that you want to do is you want to hit the record button down here during your session, so that, and you want to do it at the very beginning so that you're going to be recording for the entire hour or hour and a half, however long it takes you to get through the practice presentations. So if you click that record button, you're going to want to record to the cloud. Okay, it gives you an option to record to this computer or record to the cloud. You're going to choose record to the cloud because it's going to generate a URL at the end of your recording that then you can send to me. If you record to the computer, you're going to get a giant file that's going to be really, really hard for you to upload. Okay, so if I click record to the cloud, this is going to record my meeting to the cloud. I don't know what it's going to do with the video. Well, let me turn the video on because I'm using the video to go over this with you. When you're done, you're going to press, so after everybody does their practice presentation, you as the group lead will have to stop. It's going to ask you if you want to stop the recording. You say yes, and then you can go ahead and end the meeting for all. And then if you go back to your Zoom account, oh, that's not it, byui.zoom.us, and you go into here to recordings, you'll see that it's processing the recording here that we just recorded. So once it processes it, it will give you a URL, and you need to email that out, send that out to the other members that were in your group, because everybody's going to need the URL to turn in for their practice presentation. Again, right now it's processing, but it'll show here in a little bit, and then you'll be able to copy that and send it to the other group members so that the other group members can send it to me. Please let me know if you have any questions about this. I'll be getting a hold of various members of groups to really try to set up the group leads, but thought that this video would be important so that you would know how I want this recorded so that you can actually upload it. Thank you, and good luck with your practice presentations.